Doing laundry in a large household can feel like a never-ending task. Between towels, bedding, school clothes, and sports gear, the washing machine often runs every single day. At Town Appliance, we've been helping homeowners choose the right appliances since 1979. One thing we've learned is that the right washer can make a huge difference when you're managing laundry for a busy family. A washer with the right capacity, speed, and features can help you finish laundry faster, protect fabrics better, and even reduce energy and water usage. Let's look at what makes a washing machine a great choice for large households. Why large families need a high-capacity washer. In busy homes, laundry piles up quickly. Running multiple small loads every day takes time and puts extra wear on both the machine and your schedule. A high-capacity washer allows you to combine several loads into one larger cycle. That means fewer trips to the laundry room and less time spent waiting for clothes to finish washing. It also makes it easier to clean bulky items like blankets, towels, and bedding without overcrowding the drum. Modern washers are also much more efficient than older models. Many use smart sensors to detect load size and adjust water and energy use automatically, helping reduce utility costs over time. Features that matter for large families. When choosing a washer for a busy household, a few features can make a big difference. First is drum capacity. A washer with at least 4.5 cubic feet of space gives you enough room for large loads and bulky items. Second is fast wash cycles. Quick cycles are incredibly helpful when someone suddenly needs clean clothes the same day. And finally, smart features can add convenience. App controls and notifications let you start or monitor a cycle even when you're busy doing other things around the house. Number 1. LG WM3400CW. This is a reliable and affordable front-load washer with a 4.5 cubic foot drum. LG's 6-motion technology adjusts the drum movement depending on the fabric type, helping deliver a thorough but gentle wash. The direct drive motor reduces vibration and noise, while the stainless steel drum helps prevent snags and damage to clothing. It's a great choice for families looking for strong performance without paying for extra smart features. Number 2. LG WM4000HWA. The next model adds even more advanced washing technology. Its Turbo Wash 360 system sprays water from multiple angles, helping clean large loads in under 30 minutes. The washer also features AI Direct Drive, which detects fabric type and automatically adjusts washing motions for better fabric care. With LG ThinQ Smart Connectivity, you can start cycles remotely, check status updates, and receive alerts when the load is finished. For families who want convenience and speed, this model is a strong option. Number 3. Maytag MHW6630MBK. Our final recommendation offers an even larger capacity of 4.8 cubic feet, giving you extra space for big loads. Maytag washers are known for durability and heavy-duty performance, and this model includes the extra power option, which boosts stain removal through stronger agitation and optimized temperature control. Multiple cycles for towels, mixed fabrics, and quick refresh loads make it a practical machine for households that run laundry frequently. Maintenance tips for busy households. To keep your washer performing well, a little maintenance goes a long way. Leave the door slightly open between cycles to allow moisture to escape. Wipe the gasket and detergent dispenser occasionally to prevent residue buildup. Run a tub clean cycle every month or two to keep the drum fresh and odor-free. These small steps help maintain cleaning performance and extend the life of your machine. Final thoughts. For large households, choosing the right washer can make laundry faster, easier, and more efficient. Models with large drum capacity, quick cycles, and smart controls help reduce the number of loads each week while keeping clothes clean and well cared for. At Town Appliance, you can explore these washers and many more from leading brands, along with matching dryers to complete your laundry setup. If you're looking for the right solution for your home, visit townappliance.com to find the washer and dryer that fit your family's needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more appliance tips and buying guides from Town Appliance.